This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set any song really as a ringtone on your Android phone. And this is easy if we get an application called Zedge. So we can go to the Google Play Store, just go to search and type in Z-E-D-G-E, Zedge. Go to search. Then here's Zedge with the D symbol. Open this up and just click no. You don't have to buy anything, it's completely free. And they might try to get you into like a subscription where you avoid all these ads and stuff, which is fine. And it wants me to get TikTok. Now we're going to only open this up once and set all our contacts and stuff. So let's go back to it. If you get an ad, you can close it down, open back up. But let's go back to the home screen. Here it is. And you're going to see these ads down here. That's fine. Go to search and type in the song you want. Let's do a song, Elvis Presley. And there should be a song for him. Here we go. Then we want to go to ringtones. There's 64,000 ringtones apparently with that keyword. And we got Burning Love. Let's go to Burning Love right here. And this is going to be 26 seconds of the ringtone, which is fine. And you can listen to it if you click play. But go to the bottom, go to download. And you can download it to your media folder. And this will be saved on your phone if you want to set it manually as a ringtone. Or you can just go to set as contact ringtone, and you can decide if you want that as a contact ringtone for maybe your mother, your grandmother, your father, your kids, your nephew, I don't know. Or you can just go to set as ringtone, and this is going to be set for everyone. Anyone who calls will have Burning Love, Elvis Presley as the ringtone. So you can decide. Usually I just come up with different contacts, so if you hit contacts, it's going to bring open your contacts list, and you're going to have to choose the person you want to set it as. So makes it really easy. So you can have multiple different ringtones for each person. So just use this app. I love it. Works great. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.